So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable links to your text inside your email. So let's say, for example, you want to direct someone to, let's say, your website. You could say, click here to visit my website. And that's just a regular sentence, about text inside your email. If you want to highlight the word here, because that's where you want them to click, all you need to do is highlight that, either by double clicking it or selecting it and then dragging across. Once you've got that highlighted, click on that little link there and it'll ask you for the link you want people to take you to. So let's say for my website it would be provenflows.com and then hit the apply button. Now you can hover over that and if you want to let it, make it stand out a little bit more, you could make it bold if you want. And then when someone opens that email, they'll see that as a clickable link, and when they click it, it'll take them to the URL that you've put inside that link. So let's just hit the preview button and then click the little link, and what we'll see is a preview mode of the link. You can see here, this is the preview mode, but this is the link that it would take them to. So if I click that link, that's where they'd be taken to. So that's how you can add a link to a piece of text inside your email.